Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to mute tabs on Firefox so you can stop unwanted audio and focus on what matters. Step 1. Open Mozilla Firefox and make sure you have multiple tabs open. This helps you easily identify which tab is playing sound. Step 2. Search for any video and click. Look for the speaker icon on the tab that is playing video.
And welcome back. Today we're going
Firefox
to
shows this icon automatically when a tab has sound. Step 3. Right-click on the tab with the speaker icon. This opens a menu with tab-related options. Step 4. Click Mute tab from the menu. The audio from that tab will stop immediately, while the tab stays open. Step 5. If you want to unmute the tab later, right-click the same tab again. Select Unmute tab to restore the sound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.